Welcome. Today in Pathology Pro software we will see how to add or set up new test like COVID. For adding new test, click on Edit Tests, enter the test name, click on Save. In every report there is informative test details that needs to print under the report. For saving the details to it load automatically, click on Test Groups, then select Print Related tab. Enter the information you like to print, give it a title name that you like to know the details. These saved details can easily load it in report, click on Add button to save them. Same way you can add details for all kinds of tests for faster reporting. Now we will create new COVID report, click on New Report, enter the patient or hospital name as account which is billed. Enter the patient and test related details. You can add sample code or barcode, also the sample type and subtype if any. Search the COVID test we just added, and click Add. This test does not have any numeric value, its observational result can be edited in observation column. Software will automatically detect the observation in report and print as it. In Print Details tab, you can select what you like to print under the report related to test. Select the title to check details, and click to paste box for adding it in report. You can edit the details. You can add multiple test details as you like. In Invoice tab, you can add costs for accounting. See the next videos for more details accounting. Click on Report to generate report. You can print this report or export it to PDF. If you like to edit the layouts of report and details, options can be found in Settings. In Settings section you can preview multiple report formats. Custom header and footer also supported. For more details watch Report Layouts video tutorial. There are lots of options related to report and prints. Thanks for watching this video. For downloading the free software, click on the link below.